A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 10 unknown facts about one of the most talented sportspersons and the only female player from India to attain the world number 1 ranking. Yes, she is no other than Saina Nehwal. So let's start. Number 1. Her grandmother was not happy at her birth. She did not bother visiting them till a month after she was born because she wanted a boy. Number 2. Before entering in the field of badminton, Sania was a champion in karate, in which she holds a brown belt. Number 3. Her father Harveer Singh had to sacrifice a lot to give her the kind of training she received. He didn't have enough money but always managed to arrange it either by borrowing or taking a loan. As a result, Saina never fell short of money. Number 4. Her parents Harveer Singh and Usha Nehwal are also the state badminton champions in Haryana. Number 5. Saina Nehwal was so serious about her career that she skipped her intermediate examinations twice. Number 6. In 2006, she created history by winning the prestigious Asian Satellite Badminton Tournament twice, becoming the first player to do so. Same year, she became the first Indian woman and youngest player of Asia to win the Philippines Open. Number 7. She loves to treat herself with ice cream after winning a match in the badminton court. Number 8. In 2012, Sachin Tendulkar gave her BMW as a gift after she won the gold medal in the Olympics. Number 9. At one point in her career, Saina was the highest paid badminton player in the world, with endorsement deals worth more than $1 million annually. Number 10. She wrote her autobiography, Playing to Win, to inspire people to develop an interest in sports. Saina Nehwal's success has taken badminton to greater heights and has inspired several girls to consider taking up the sport professionally. So these were some unknown facts about Saina Nehwal. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.